Cocosina science bus. Go, go, let's ride. If you're curious, hop on now. Science trip begins. Why does it happen? Let's explore. See and feel and learn some more. All around us, everywhere. Science is right there. Science bus, go, go, let's go. Amazing science stories. Come and join the show. Here we go. You can't see it, but it's there. Air is everywhere. When you blow, it starts to move, pushing things for you. Air, air, it's so cool. It has power too. Even though you cannot see, you can feel it move. Blow a balloon, it grows big. Air is filling in. Turn a cup upside down. Air won't let it fall. Air, air, it's so cool. It has power too. Even though you cannot see, you can feel it move.
Today we learned about the invisible power of air. Air can push things when it moves. It can also inflate balloons and hold water in place. Question, principle, experiment. Let's keep learning with the Science Bus.